A pair of oriental pied hornbills are renewing their partnership. They mate for life. Before they face the challenges ahead, they reaffirm their bond. Nesting is a dangerous time for any bird. The hole in this tree trunk will provide vital protection. Once settled inside, she has turned the tree hole into a predator-proof fortress. But it's also a prison. For the next 2 months, he will deliver all her food directly to her door. The food he has brought has enabled her to produce 2 precious eggs. She will keep them safe for another 6 weeks, until the young have grown and fledged. And then both she and they will break out of their confinement. But until then, this devoted couple are going to be very busy indeed.